Good morning, students. Today's class we will discuss about chapter 2 Constitution, and today's our topic is conventions. Conventions are the important sources of British Constitution. Conventions can be defined as the unwritten rules of political behavior or as the political customs of Britain. Just as social relations are characterized by customs of the society, political relations in society are also characterized by political customs, that is conventions. And according to famous philosopher A.B. Dicey, conventions are rules for determining the mood in which the discretionary powers of the crown or ministers as the servants of the crown ought to be exercised. Now, features of a conventions. Number one, it is an unwritten informal practice or rule of conduct. Then second, it is not made and enacted. It gradually grows. Then number third, it originates as a mode of doing a thing smoothly and effectively. Fourth, long uses and the acceptance that it is born to be used in future leads to the recognitions of a practice as a convention. Then fifth, a convention is the nature of a political morality. Then sixth, a practice becomes a convention when it satisfied three tests. A, it has been followed in the past. Second, it is being followed as present. Then third, it is accepted to be followed in future also. Now we will discuss about the role of conventions in the Constitution of UK, USA and India. The British Constitution is an unwritten constitution and operates with on the basis of some great historic character. Several laws passed by the British Parliament and a large number of conventions. The British Cabinet, the office of British Prime Minister, the office Speaker of the House of Commons, and in fact, all British institutions and officers largely depend upon several conventions. The British King or Queen always acts upon the advice of the Prime Minister and his cabinet, and it is again a convention. The British Parliament reads a bill thrice before passing is a convention. The office of the British Prime Minister works totally on the basis of conventions. In fact, conventions play a deterministic role in the working of the British political system. A written and enacted constitution has been a silent feature of the Constitution of the USA. The US Constitution is a written constitution, but it has been a very brief constitution with only 7 articles and 27 amendments. Indirect election system of the US president operates as a system of direct election due to some convention. The presidential cabinet is the child of conventions. Even judicial review power of the US Supreme Court originated as a judicial convention. As such, the actual working of the US Constitution stands greatly influenced by the presence of several conventions. Now, Indian Constitution has been a written large-size constitution. President of India always appoints the leaders of majority in the Lok Sabha as the Prime Minister, and it is also a convention during 1950 to 1996. The Prime Minister of India was always a member of the Lok Sabha. It was a convention. However, this convention now stands broken, and Prime Minister can be a member of either the Lok Sabha or the Rajya Sabha. The appointment of retired politicians or military general as governors can also be described as a convention. And next class we will go to chapter 3.